In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder the pages of a PDF. So let's get started. First, just go to your browser and then search for Sajda. So this is the website with which we can do this. So click on the first link, and once you're here, you have to click on All Tools, that's on top. And then under Merge, select Organize. It's this option. Over here, you'll have to upload the PDF which you want to reorder. So just click on this. So for now, I've uploaded a sample PDF, and now I'll show you how to reorder it. So over here, you'll see all of the pages of your PDF. So this has 30 pages, and the first way to reorder it is to manually drag and drop the pages. So let's say I want to move A2, let's say over here. I can drag it and just drop it. And as you can see, it's moved. The same way you can do this for all of the pages. So this is the first way, and it's manual. The second method is if you know the position where you want to place a page. So let's say I want to place the first page in the 15th position. Then I can just click on this. After that, I have to click on this button that's here. And now I have to put the new page location. So if I want it in the 15th position, I'll type that and click on Move Page. And as you can see, it's moved to the 15th place. So this is helpful if you have a large PDF and if you have a certain order which you need to follow. After that, you can reorder multiple pages at once. So let's say I want to take the first 3 pages and put it 10th onwards. Then I have to click on Control and select each of the pages. So once these pages are selected, then I can just drag them and drop them wherever I want. And as you can see, these 3 have come here. Then another thing you can do is add more pages to this. So you can add blank pages or pages from other files. For this, just click on this Add Pages option that's here. And if you want to add a blank page, it's this option. Or else, if you want to add pages from another PDF, just select Local Files, and you can select another PDF, and you'll see all of those pages have also come here. So now, let's say you're done reordering your PDF, then click on Save, which is here. Then here below, you'll get a preview of your new PDF. And if you think it's fine, then you can just click on Download and it'll get downloaded. Or else just click on Back to Editing to make some changes. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to extract specific pages from a certain PDF, check out this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.